There's a secret language that our legs speak, a language that can indicate whether someone is comfortable with you or not, whether they want to continue a conversation with you or not, or simply whether they are attracted to you or not. In today's video, I will teach you how to decode the language of the legs. The feet are usually the first in our body to move where we want to go. Therefore, it is safe to say that the feet point in the direction of our main interest. But let's get started. Number 1. Crossing our legs. We see this occurring more often than any other body language signal. Usually on trains or public spaces, we see people crossing their legs. Well, when we cross our legs while standing alone or while standing with others, we tend to cross our legs to display comfort. When we cross our legs while sitting, usually with one leg over the other, this actually creates a barrier between ourselves and the person or the thing we do not feel comfortable around. Number 2. Locking our ankles. When speaking with someone and you question them or discuss something that brings discomfort, it can immediately be seen when a person suddenly locks their ankles. This usually indicates some sort of mental strain or hesitance, or may even be an indicator that someone is hiding something. When interlocking our ankles around objects, such as the legs of chairs or tables, immediately after being accused or discussing something controversial, it can be safe to say that the person either feels fear or insecurity. Number 3. Knee clasping. When we have our feet firmly placed on the ground and our knees tightly clasped while leaning back, this can be a major indicator that a person is restraining themselves or feels stress. While when knee clasping and leaning forward, it is a sign that someone wants to leave. Knee hugging is an extended form of knee clasping. This is usually done by bringing the legs up to the chest. Knee hugging serves as a pacifier when we feel stress or when we need help dealing with emotion. This is the same posture we had while developing within the wombs of our mothers. Number 4. Leg, knee and ankle rubbing. When feeling either stress, anxiety or anticipation of something exciting, we tend to rub our thighs. This occurs because we try and provide heat to tensing muscle in order to relax or pacify them. The same can be said for rubbing the knees. Although, when rubbing the ankles, this may indicate an even greater amount of stress that a person may be feeling at a given moment in time. Number 5. The pace at which we walk. In a group of people, it is quite easy to tell who the leader or more dominant person is. They are usually the ones who set the pace at which the entire group walks. Most of the time, we believe that the leader is the one who walks in front of the group. Instead, it is the one that sets the pace at which they walk. Number 6. Sitting. It is easy to measure a person's level of confidence simply by looking at the way they sit. Although this may be highly affected by society, where from a young age, girls may be told to sit with their legs closed. It may even be physiological, whereas men in general just can't sit with their legs closed. It still remains more pronounced when watching groups. People who sit with their legs closer together usually may feel a little more insecure or less confident than those who sit with their legs wider apart. What's even more important though is to look at the body as a whole when determining body language. My next video will cover common body language clusters. But if you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up. Thank you.